Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And so today I'll be showing you 3 meal prep for toddlers and babies. And first of all, we're going to be doing my take on Shepherd's Pie Kids Edition. So first of all, we are going to be chopping up our potatoes in bits, tiny bits, like so. And then we're going to be boiling it for about 20 minutes till it's properly soft. And next we are going to be blending our cherry tomatoes, onions, and green peas. We're going to be blending them all together. We want the beef to be very, very, very flavorful, like yet rich and flavorful. So go ahead in the pan, heat up your pan, put in your minced meat, kind of like break it up with your spatula. And then next we're going to be pouring in our pureed vegetables. And then we're going to let this cook for about 10-15 minutes. You know, we don't want any sour taste from the vegetables, so just let it cook, come to a boil. And then we'll be adding our stock cubes, bouillon cubes for taste. I mean, because they're kids, they shouldn't have tasteless food. And stir it properly. And then we'll be mashing up our potatoes. Just keep on mashing and mashing and mashing. If you like this video so far, please subscribe. Thank you. And then we're gonna, because you know, we don't want to just put the baby's milk into all this portion. We're gonna scoop out a little bit and mix it up with either formula or breast milk. Give it a good stir till it comes to a nice, even, not too runny consistency. And you just keep stirring and take out all the lumps. Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring like so. And that's the consistency it should be. And then next we're gonna just put in our minced meat, Shepherd's Pie Baby's Edition. And if your baby can't chew this meat, you just go ahead, put in a blender and blend it like this, and then you put it on top of your mashed potatoes. They will love it. It smells so good, so good. The onions gives it a good flavor. So next we are going to be making butternut squash. And go ahead and chop up your onions. Onions is so good. You know, onions just elevates the flavor of anything you're making for your baby. And we're going to be chopping up our butternut and cooking it. Yeah, it's very, very tough. And we're gonna be cooking this for about 20 minutes as well. First of all, we are gonna cook our fish. That's salmon fish, by the way. Bring it to a boil, and then take out the fish. Then in the same pot, boil your butternut. And right ahead, we're gonna be blending the butternut alongside with the fish. Please check for any bones and all that. I took out the skin. I'm really searching for bones, if there are any bones. I mean, it's gonna be blended, so and you just puree it in your blender for about a minute or two. Then you just pour it into a bowl, and it smells so good, guys. The fish just gives it another flavor. It also tastes good, you know. That's a very, very delicious butternut squash for your baby. There you go. Butternut squash looking yummy. And then the third one will be our avocado puree. This is really nice as well. I mean, everybody should know this, but avocado is so good and rich. Just with your spoon, just give it a little, just mash it a little bit. Mash it till all the clumps are taken away, are all gone. Then you pour in your breast milk or formula. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring till it comes to a nice even consistency. And there you go. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.